Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to play games to relax on the Breeze application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then tap on the home button down below and scroll down to the games section and click on play. After that, tap on the start game button and then you should tap on the flowers, and basically that's your task to do. If you would like to do so, you can also turn on and off the music by tapping on this button in the upper left corner. And if you tap on the music and sounds vibrations button, you can turn them off and on. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.